Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
You are cruising along with Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com. A little while ago, we had our friends from Tint World on the show, and they showed us some of their ceramic coatings and the products to keep those looking good. Well, guess what? Tint is in the name, Tint World. So window tint is how you guys really started, Joe, back in the 80s. And what inspired your founder to start the business in the first place?
Charles, our CEO, always had an knack for trying to get an automotive accessory place where it's a one-stop shop. You could just go to one place, get tint, accessories, whatever you want. And when he came down to Florida, Tint World was established already in 1982 and started with 6 locations. And he saw an opportunity. He bought the company. Back in 2007, we started franchising Tint World. And today we're, have 100 franchisees worldwide and 100 in development right now.
What makes Tint World different from some of the other tint brands out there?
What makes us unique is our franchising system. We have a support system that supports our franchisees, and we have intensive training where we have certified technicians and teach them everything that they need from everyday operations to technical aspects of doing the actual jobs. We really concentrate on making sure our franchisees are successful. If they don't succeed, we don't succeed. We want to sell more stores. The only way we're going to be able to sell more stores is by having a success story behind it. Our stores, on an average, reach their ROI in 6-8 months. A lot of businesses don't hit that for a long period of time.
That's pretty amazing. Now let's talk about the window tints and the products you actually sell. What sets your actual product apart from some of the others out there?
We offer various different packages. So we have film in everybody's budget. However, the film is kind of like cars, right? The technology changes throughout the years. So a car from the 80s doesn't necessarily need the modern film of today, because today we have a lot more electronics in our cars. So what separates us is that ours is made in the US, manufactured to our specifications, and we go for the highest grade possible to offer our consumer the best product.
And then how is the installation process different than others we've seen?
We use a computer cut software. So if I cut a Subaru, like what's behind us, every car that comes in is going to get that same exact fit. All right, and we use state-of-the-art software. It makes the installation more precise, and it helps the technician to get the job done faster and more accurately.
What are some of the main reasons folks are getting their windows tinted?
So when people see tinted windows, biggest thing is that everybody associates it with heat. But there's a big thing that a lot of people with medical conditions, skin cancer, eye conditions. So there's also that medical exempt. For example, if you needed to get your windshield tinted, that's illegal in many states, right? But with a medical exempt, you can actually get that and protect your eyes. Our film is actually recognized by the Skin Cancer Foundation. So it's known to help aid of preventing skin cancer.
And we're not just talking about windows, you have films to protect the rest of the car as well.
Absolutely. We have our PPF, which is our paint protection film, and we also do, vehicle vinyl wraps and vinyl stripes and all that other stuff.
How many Tint World stores are there out there?
So currently we have 100 stores open up, like I said, worldwide. 100 are in development, and to find the nearest Tint World to you, you just simply go to our website, tintworld.com. We have a store locator. You punch in your zip code, and it's going to show you the stores that are available in your area.
And what if I want to become a franchisee? How do I do that?
Very similar. On that same website, we have a section that's going to be for the franchisee development. You submit your information, our development team will contact you, and then they'll tell you all the next steps that you do to become a new owner of a Tint World brand.
If you're a customer, you're going to love what Tint World can do for your vehicle. And if you're looking to franchise, I've been talking to Joe about some of the stuff they do to support their franchisees, and it is second to none. Check it all out at tintworld.com. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by DragonfireTools.com. So do not go anywhere.